I'm making a video to demonstrate a vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing birdcage. Absolutely wonderful condition, fully serviced. I'm going to slide the lever all the way to the right. The birds sing perfectly. I'm going to slide the lever to pause. That's the middle feature. So all of your singing bird cages have a pause feature. And if the pause feature doesn't work, that means something's wrong with the mechanism. Pause feature works flawlessly. Wait for one more pause. Turn back to continuous. So both birds sing to a bird song. Their beaks and tails are synchronized to that bird song, and they also rotate their head. Show you back. Wonderful condition. Slide this to the left, and that turns it off. So in summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing birdcage in fully serviced and restored condition. Take care.